Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to decrease video size on Adobe Premiere Pro. So firstly I will enter a video on Adobe Premiere Pro. After that we will type Ctrl+M for change video size. So here we can change video size. After that close this tab and go to file section and click on export. Go to media and click on media. So this pop-up has been reopened. So this video size is 574 MB and go to preset option and click on high bitrate options. So we will use low bitrate options for decreasing video size. Click on adaptive low bitrate. So this video size has been decreased successfully like 190 MB. So in this way we can change video size on Adobe Premiere Pro.